Okay, so today I'm going to make a video on hopefully removing a stuck 223 case from a full-length sizing die. The only thing I've done prior to all this is I put some PB Blaster sprayed down around the case and let it sit for about 10 minutes. But first thing, you got to get out the neck die, right? So let me pull that out. For the loosen that up so I can get it out. Otherwise, the decapping pin's in the way. So we're going to back this off, and I'm not going to be able to get it out of the piece of brass. So it's going to have to just sit at the bottom of it. And hopefully stay out of the way while I drill and tap this piece out. So I've got that backed off as far as I can get it. What I'm going to do now is drill it out. Tighten it down pretty good in here so it can't move. And I'm going to use a 11/64 bit just to drill me a hole. So you can see the size of the hole in there. And then I'm going to take I think it's a 1/4 20 tap and tap that hole. There it goes. So we got the whole tap, you can see that. Then I'm going to take a machine screw and thread it in there and get it as deep as I can. It doesn't want to go very easily. Let me grab a screwdriver here. Get a machine screw. And the reason I kind of like that machine screw head is it's angled so that I can grab it with my crowbar. So that's in there good. All I'm going to do is get a couple pieces of wood for pry leverage, and then I'll put the crowbar right up against that machine screw and give it a good tug. And out it comes. So then all you got to do to get your expander ball out is to cut this in half with a Dremel. Cut the case in half with the Dremel, and then you can get out your expander ball and put your die back together again. So that's how I remove a 223 case from the full-length sizing die. And it happens to be probably from not enough lube, obviously. So I need to put a little bit better lubing on my dies before my brass before I try to run it through the press. Anyway. Hope that helps somebody that has the same problem someday.